Welcome back, all of my opinionated peeps. Hope you having a blessed day so far, you see me. So, me gonna ask each and every individual, naturally, before we jump in a video for subscribe, is it? And make sure that we don't know just in case.
Yo, Jamaica Public Service, JPS, we need answers, you know. Yeah, we need answers, yeah, go on, you know what I talk about, you know. Joby, we need answers, JPS, Jamaica Public Service, Joby around there.
One thing with Popcaan, you think him easy, you think him ramp. Well, anyway, still, the man accurate and precise on the information we him get. Cause me here said, JPS have a new audited system, basically, you see me. So, how that go? Alright, let me show you what go on. So, as you hear Popcaan just say, we need answers, you see me. So, people, really and truly, JPS has increased many different people light bill for this month. I don't know if for the new process, and we don't really dig that, you see me. So, yeah, that's the whole reason why I got to ask, you see me. So, up next, we got to talk about Jada Kingdom and Fear nigga though. You see me, so she make that post and say, I am obsessed with my man with a follow-up video. So when Jada Kingdom made that post, like it got a lot of her fans and haters and everything upset in a sense, you see me. So what me a pray is that follow the girl, you see me, cause enough one out there right now can't even make a post with a man. Not even sure if I phone the man alone, basically. And they can't even have the courage to say that what she say, you see me. So pick up yourself on that evil world dog must come out and I try throw shades on them something there, you see me. But they can't hold on the girl dog.
Something blood clot go on. 15 over fraction, something go on. That 14 fifths, a blood clot don't know what go on. 15 5, the blood clot, 15 over 5 fraction. We don't know what that means. I pretty that explain to me. 14 under 5. 14 over 5 improper fraction. Cartel next guest, next night. Who are your man? Cartel. About 7 guests in a straight. Producer. Boy, Ramesh, cartel after that, yo. You have one cartel of severals. I say go, Ramesh. I say go. You did a kick with my foot, cartel a kick with your foot. That's what I say. What hold on there? Me blood clot. I wish Birdie pinch me say a cartel. As a Jada and Popcaan, but me say no, cause Popcaan having woman in Europe. You see me? Yeah, dog, come in the dog, there a reason why they are, and Popcaan a reason why they are. I say, Poppy, so I pray. And the dog, I make me know, say, look, it. And I say, what you mean? I find come there with R&B singer. You like to say they go there with a rapper? She say, you like pretty voice, man, you know. Because they are feature cranium, you know. And they say, woman got there with Rico love. And look how long me a big little pussy. But remember me telling you, times gonna reach when you know want give hero look a pussy, you know. Me gonna take you, you know. But no, so me not take you with a good heart. Aye. Me gonna take you. Me not say me not take you. Me gonna take you. Me gonna take you. But me not take you with no good heart.
People, that is world dog. Him do that. You see me, but yeah, you can't really blight it nothing for the girl dog, you see me, as much as you attack you look at thing them. Cause we know you, that's what you do. But big up anybody who support to the end of the video, is it?